1, 2, go.
What is up with you guys? So welcome to another vlog. So today we're gonna be installing a new mod for Tsunade. Alright.
What's in the box?
What's in the box? What do you guys see? This box came all the way from Thailand. Straight from Thailand. Look. Shout out to Pantanai Piantown. Yeah, he's the guy who sold me this mod. What do you guys think it is? It's from Chan Kasem Jalujak. Sorry guys if I'm reading that wrong. Bangkok, Thailand. Alright. Let's open this up. I'm gonna stop teasing you guys. Here's the new mod! Oh my god! For Tsunade! It's a carbon fiber steering wheel all the way from Thailand. Oh my god. Sheesh! Look at this, guys! Look at that carbon fiber though. Everything is included with this package. Usually if you buy this from VQ Carbon or from any other website, they only give you the outer part of the steering wheel. Airbag not included. This plastic trim not included. Just the steering wheel itself. So yeah. Oh my god.
Sheesh.
So he only put a simple screw in it, but on the car you need a P30 key. I don't have that, so let's go buy some. Give you a little update, guys. As always, things didn't go as planned again. What the fuck? I love my town. After 5 p.m. everything's closed. So
we're going to Red Deer.
We're going to another town because that's the only place we can get that key. Actually, we have it in here, but they only got the set, guys, and it's 30 bucks for it. I don't need that. I'm not gonna use that. At last we found it. Oh my god, we went from 3 different stores, guys. At last, guys, we're back. Oh my god, it took us almost 2 hours just to get all the things that I need. Oh my god. So first, we're gonna have to disconnect the battery. Alright guys, don't mind that nickel in there. Next step is there's gonna be clips in here that you have to pry out. Oh! One down. Ito na.
Oh.
One down. Shit.
Ayun lang oh.
Saan?
Taas may bottle.
Oh shit. Two down. We got from the store. It's the T30 bolt. Alright. Two down. After that guys, you can easily remove this. Just be careful. This is the airbag. And then there's gonna be clips and wires inside for the honk of course and the airbag. So you're gonna have to remove this black clips. Just like that guys. I'm gonna use this one for the new steering wheel because the one on this new steering wheel is kinda scratched out, so we're gonna need that one. And then we're gonna remove this one too. So there's a clip in here guys. You just gotta press it down and pull it. Now all the wires are out. We're gonna need a 19mm for this one. Take this off. Pero we're going in. There we go.
It's out.
It's finally out, guys. I just used my old wirings for this one. Just like that. Right. Make sure it's in the center. Pop this guy's in. There's a line here. You're gonna see there's a line on the thread. You see that? Yeah, they can see it. There's a line that make sure it will align with the line on the steering wheel. All right. Alright, guys. Sheesh. Almost finished. Just make sure we're making sure everything is tight. Oh my god. Let's put those covers in back. There you go. Other one. There you go. Oh my god. Let's just hope this headbag won't blow in our face. I'm gonna connect the battery. Pliers, baby, pliers. Alright.
Oo.
Moment of truth, guys. It's a moment of truth. Alright. Oh my god. Oh, I thought there's gonna be a check engine light. Sheesh.
Test drive.
There you go, guys. Wait.
Okay.
Before we go for a test drive, I'm gonna get the finishing pieces. Alright, guys. This is gonna be my finishing. This is gonna be the what do you call that? Icing on the cupcake.
Cherry on top.
Huh? Huh? Alright. Let's put it in, guys. The 3M tape off. There you go, guys. New steering wheel, Fortunada. Sheesh. Alright, guys. We're gonna take it for a spin. Oh my god. Whoa. I don't know, it feels lighter, guys. Sheesh.
Try the honk. Nice.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh, sheesh. Oh my god, guys. Sheesh. Oh my god. It's a little over to the right, but now I can go vroom vroom in this thing. Let's go! Let's go, guys! video. Thank you for all of you who are subscribing, watching my videos. Oh my god. See you next time, guys!
Walang beke, puro tunay lang kasama. Pantasya dati ngayon katabi sa kama.